Unbox and set up the HP DeskJet Plus Ink Advantage and HP Envy 6100 and 6500 all-in-one printer series. Open the box and remove the printer documentation, power cord, and ink cartridges. The power cord and ink cartridges come in their own packaging within the box. Set the box on its side, and using the handles, slide the printer out of the box. Remove the end caps, and then remove the plastic wrapping from the printer. Remove all blue tape from the printer, including the pieces located inside the printer. Remove the foam sheet from the scanner bed. Plug the printer in using the power cord. HP recommends plugging directly into a wall outlet. The printer turns on automatically. On the control panel, select your language, select Confirm, and then select your country or region. A QR code appears on the printer control panel. The same QR code is also on the printer Quick Start Guide. On a computer or mobile device, you can go to the URL included or scan the QR code to go to the printer setup website. Like this video, the printer setup site is designed to walk you through the printer setup steps. Simply click Start Setup. From here, the setup site walks you through the steps to power on the printer, load paper, install ink, complete an alignment, and download the printer software. After each step is complete, select Next to move on to the next step. To load paper, pull open the paper tray and slide out the guides. Load letter or A4 paper into the tray and adjust the guides. Close the paper tray and open the output extender. On the setup site, select Next. To install ink, open the ink access door and the ink carriage moves into position. If the ink carriage does not move when you open the ink access door, close the door and then reopen it so that the carriage moves into position. Remove the ink from the packaging and remove the protective tape on both ink cartridges. Slide the black and color cartridges into their slots and push up. The cartridges make a snap sound when they are in place. Close the ink access door. On the setup site, select Next. To complete printer alignment, select Align on the printer control panel and an alignment page prints. This might take a few minutes. Once the page is printed, open the scanner lid. Place the printed page face down on the scanner glass, aligned to the indicated corner. Close the scanner lid. Select Scan on the printer control panel. Wait for confirmation that alignment is complete, then select OK. On the setup site, select Next. To set up the printer software, download the HP app for free from your App Store or by going to hp.com/start/install. From the HP app home screen, select the option to add a new printer. The app searches for available printers. When you see your printer, select it. The app begins connecting your printer to the network. Follow the prompts to complete the connection. If prompted, press Allow on the printer control panel to confirm proximity. On the printer privacy screen, read through carefully and then select your preferred option. HP recommends selecting Accept All. For access to more printing options, create or sign into an HP account. An HP account is required to use advanced printing features. On the automatic ink prompt, you have the option to sign up for HP Instant Ink, an ink delivery service that automatically ships new ink to you when your printer runs low. You do not need to sign up for HP Plus to sign up for HP Instant Ink. To sign up, select Next. Select your preferred ink plan, then enter the shipping and billing information. Once you are enrolled, select Continue. HP Instant Ink is not available in all locations. If you did not see this offer, it might not be available in your country or region. Follow any remaining prompts to set up your printer. Once you complete all prompts, the app returns you to the home screen and displays an image of your printer. You are now ready to print.